ito ang ating yakisoba. Sister. Sabi ko sa kanya, tawagin niya ako pagka nandun sa exciting part ng pagluluto ng yakisoba. Meron pala kami na-receive na malaki at unexpected na blessing 2 days ago. Siguro for this year, ito ang pinakamalaki blessing na natanggap namin. Good morning everyone! Happy Tuesday! Si Zayda kakain ng kanyang breakfast. Strawberries. Pinapanood niya yung dada niya na nagbibuild ng aming Christmas tree. Ayan si Mr. Binubuo na ang aming Christmas tree. Masyado siya palang mataas. Kinuha namin yung may ano na talaga siya, may pailaw-ilaw. Now, what do you call that kind of Christmas tree?
Artificial?
No.
The lights?
The modular. Halimutan ko yung pangalan. Basta meron siyang parang fiber optics. Is it fiber optics na light? Kaya lang, wala siyang option na ma-stay lang sa isang kulay. Nagpapalit-palit talaga yung kulay niya. And kumpara dun sa ibang mga presyo ng Christmas tree dun sa Walmart, ano na siya, mura. Kasi parang $99 siya, kaso mayroong tax, kaya naging total niya is $105. Yung ibang mga mas mura doon, maliit. Tapos yung ibang may pailaw na din, automatic pailaw, mas mahal siya, parang nasa $180, nasa $200. Ito kasi yan, hindi siya naka-display. And nakita lang siya ni Mr. Oh.
When I was young, we used to have real trees that you would go outside and you would cut the tree and bring it inside. And my parents have very high ceiling. And one time we had a tree that went all the way up to the top of the ceiling. You bring a tree into here, you bring all the bugs from outside, and a living thing is gonna ooze sap or whatever. And it's not, so we have these artificial trees now, but when I was little, they used to be real trees. And some people still do it, but I wouldn't bring a real tree into my house because it's gonna make your house all nasty and weird.
So, ayan na yung itsura niya nung nabuo. Oh, nilagyan ko na lang siya ng decorations mamaya. Ayan, so ito ang ating breakfast courtesy of the husband. But you always look like, you're annoyed or something.
Because I'm annoyed or something.
Why are you annoyed?
There's a camera in my face, it's annoying.
Sabi ko sa inyo, ayaw niya ng nag-video pagka kumakain. Tapos yan si Zayda. Ayan, kain na kami. Ayan, andito kami sa Asian store. Ganap kami ng pansit. Just leave Zayda walk around. Just let her walk around. Malamig-lamig ngayon, mga sisi and friends. 10 degrees Celsius. Dapat pala nagdala pa ako ng jacket. Baka si Zayda lamigin din to. Hindi ko kasi siya nasuotan ng coat. Ay, kala kong mainit. Hindi ko na check ang temperature bago kami lumabas. Dito kami ngayon sa Walgreens. Si Mr. biglang napahinto dito sa may mga laruan na cars. Si Zayda gusto niya. Ayaw niya ng mga Barbie. Gusto niya ng mga toy cars.
Your sister had a fight. She probably still does.
Yan si Zayda. Cute ang kanyang outfit. Baby, come here. Pupunta siya dyan sa shed. Come here, baby. Zayda. Zayda, come here. Come here. Do you think that's funny? Come here. Come on. Ay, nako. Wa. Ayan, so nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay. Ay! Tinanggalin mo yung bow mo. Tingnan mo yung itsura mo. Oh. Gulo-gulo na yung buhok mo. Si Mr. magluluto siya ulit ng ribs. Wow. Lamig sa labas. Wow. Si Mr. nagluluto siya ng vegetable para sa aming dinner. Love, what is our dinner for tonight?
Yakisoba,
Yakisoba?
vegetables, rice, ribs.
Why are we having a lot of food?
I don't know. I wanted to make yakisoba.
I thought you were gonna make it
And
next
you gotta
week.
have rice. I wouldn't be making rice because I'm making yakisoba, but because you gotta have rice, and I gotta have yakisoba, we're making both.
Both? So yan, medyo fully loaded ang ating dinner for for today's video. Yung ribs, love, you remove yourself. I'm gonna show them the ribs. Ay, madumi yung aming ano ha. Okay. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo siya. Ayan yung ribs. Medyo matagal to. Love, how many hours would it take for it to be ready? For the ribs?
3.
3 hours?
Well, now it's 10 minutes. It's been 2.
Yeah, from the time that you started putting it in the oven. So yun, 3 hours pala. Ang tagal pala nitong gawin. How about the yakisoba? Is it ready?
I'm making it now.
Ayan, ito na yung ating yakisoba.
Little one.
Yan yung binili namin kanina sa ano, sa Asian restaurant, Asian store. Bali yung binili lang namin sa Asian store. Suka toyo, yung dato puti. Pero yung toyo, silver swan. Tapos itong yakisoba. At saka, what's the other one that we bought? The meat. Pork belly. Para naman yun sa next week, gagawa si Mr. ng lechon kawali.
Maybe.
Maybe daw.
I'm gonna try.
So, tingnan natin kung magiging successful ang ating lechon kawali next week. So, habang si Mr. ay nagluluto doon, kain muna tayo ng mangga. Buti na lang may mangga doon sa Walmart. Isang araw. Gusto ni Zeta. Yung sausawan ko, patis at saka chili garlic ko. Sarap. Tagal ko na nag-crave dito. Lagi namang walang mangga sa Walmart. Alam yung ating Christmas tree, hindi pa yan tapos. Kulang pa yung nabili namin na pang decoration. Sinecheck ko pa kasi baka na kasi bumili kami ng maraming decoration tapos ma-over naman. Kaya pa konti-konti. Di ba, baby? Tapos, meron pala kami na-receive na malaki at unexpected na blessing 2 days ago. Siguro for this year, ito ang pinakamalaking blessing na natanggap namin. Pero, hindi ko muna i-share sa inyo ngayon. Share ko yan sa inyo sa mga susunod na vlogs. So, abangan nyo po yan. Pa-suspense na. Sabi ko kay Mistero. Taba ng mukha ko. Ayun po, nag-gain ako ng weight. Sabi ko kay Mistero, tawagin niya ako pagka nasa exciting part na pagluluto niya ng yakisoba. Para ipakita ko sa inyo. Rita, where's your bowl? So, ito ang ating yakisoba. Si Mr. Sabi ko sa kanya, tawagin niya ako pagka nandun sa exciting part ng pagluluto ng yakisoba. Tapos na pala, kaya sabi ko, mag-pretend ka na lang na kunwari niluluto mo pa. Sumunod naman. I'm telling them that you are just pretending that you're cooking.
Not really. Kinda had to do this anyway.
Tapos ito ay green beans. So yan, malapit na kaming mag-dinner. Tingnan natin ang ribs. Wow! Is it ready?
Yeah, but these were hard to cook because they were extra meaty. And then,
What does it mean?
I don't know. I never had the extra meaty ones before, but normally it has regular amount of meat, and so the fat in the meat is the correct ratio, and it cooks even. But this, because it's extra meat, then there's not really, they don't have extra fat, so the ratio is wrong from fat to meat, so it doesn't cook normal, so it might be weird.
But is it ready?
Yeah.
So ayan ang ating dinner for today's video. Yakisoba, green beans, ribs, and rice. Is that it? Ayun. So, nako. Ang bigat niyan sa tiyan. Kaya mahilig ba kayo sa ribs? Love, do you like eating ribs? It seems like you do because that's the thing that you always cook. Ribs and what's the other one? What's that? Steak.
It's because it's like the best food, so
Is it?
kind of. I don't really get any better than that.
Pasensya nyo na yung mga kalat dyan sa likod. Is it difficult to cut?
So you don't know where the bone is.
Ito na guys ang ating dinner for tonight, courtesy of my very handsome husband. Ayan, meron tayong rice, yakisoba, green beans, ribs. So ayan.
I think Grace.
Grace. Thank you, love. You're the best. Tapos si Mr. Lagi akong binibigyan ng maliit na kutsara.
That's a regular size spoon.
This is not the regular size. This is kutsarita. Wow, yung sisay na tignan nyo. Excited na kumain. Is it time to eat? Say bye-bye na to them. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
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 Blow kisses. Bye-bye. Blow. Brow kisses. So, yun lang po for today's video. Thank you so much again for supporting Zayda's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. See you again next time. Bye! Bye!